Welcome to our guide on fixing Messenger camera problems on your PC. Let's delve into the steps to troubleshoot this issue. If you're experiencing camera problems on Messenger, follow these steps. Step 1. Start by refreshing the Messenger web page to potentially resolve any camera glitches. Step 2. Clear your browser's cache and cookies for smoother camera functionality. Visit your browser's support website for detailed instructions. Step 3. Log out of Messenger Desktop and log back in to reset account settings and troubleshoot camera issues. Step 4. Restart your device by turning it off for 30 seconds and then back on to address any temporary camera malfunctions. Step 5. Test by connecting to a different network or using mobile data to troubleshoot network-related camera problems. Step 6. Contact Messenger support for further assistance if the issue persists. Step 7. Ensure a stable internet connection, as poor connectivity can impact camera performance. By following these steps, you can effectively troubleshoot and resolve Messenger camera problems on your PC. Stay connected and enjoy seamless camera functionality on Messenger by implementing these solutions.